Have you ever felt like the market has a mind of its own, always moving against you the second you place a trade? Well, what if I told you there's a way to tap into its momentum and ride the waves instead of fighting them? Stick around because we're diving into a game-changing tool, the Momentum Bias Index by Algo Alpha. And trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, I've got one more trick up my sleeve. What if we supercharge this strategy with some AI-powered optimizations? Right before the end of this video, I'll reveal how small tweaks can make the system even more powerful. To get started, open your chart, let's say gold, but feel free to choose your favorite asset. Pick a time frame. You can go with 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, or even 1 hour time frames. Personally, I like the 15-minute time frame, but you can pick your own. Now, head over to the indicator section at the top of your platform. Type in Momentum Bias Index and select the one by Algo Alpha. Boom! It's on your chart. Now let's fine-tune this beast. Click on the gear icon next to the indicator's name or just double-click on the indicator itself. Go to the Inputs tab and make a few tweaks. Set the source parameters to close. Momentum length to 9, bias length to 5, smooth length to 9, impulse boundary to 27, and the standard deviation multiplier to 3. Make sure smoothing is enabled and overlay mode is off. If you're feeling fancy, customize the colors to your liking. But the real magic happens in how we use it. So we have our momentum bias index, but let's add a second layer of confirmation. But before that, I want to introduce you to one of my favorite paid strategy sources on the planet. Struggling to find winning trades? Unlock the power of Chart Prime, the ultimate trading toolkit designed by top traders and developers. Their cutting-edge indicators seamlessly integrate with TradingView, identifying trend shifts, smart money movements, and high probability trade setups in real time. With features like quantum bands, prophecy signals, and smart support and resistance, you'll spot market opportunities before the crowd. Try Chart Prime risk-free for 7 days and transform your trading game today. Find the link above here or down in the description for some amazing offers and discounts. Now back to our second indicator. Enter high and low optimized strength tracker, aka HLOT indicator. Head back to the indicator section, search for HLOT and add it to your chart. This one gives us the highest and lowest price values, forming a zone where the price tends to chill. If the price is inside the flat zone, sit back and grab a coffee. No action is needed, but when the price breaks above or below this range, things start heating up. If a candle closes above the hot line, we're in an uptrend. If it closes below the line, we're in a downtrend. Simple, right? Now let's tweak the settings just a bit. Adjust the colors and line thickness to make it visually clear. Change the bar color options and tweak the highlight opacity. Nothing major to adjust in the parameters, so we're all set. Here's how we trade it. The Momentum Bias Index generates signals when the red bar stays above the dots. That's our sell signal. But hold up, don't jump in yet. We need confirmation. For a valid short trade, the signal candle must close below the lower HLOT line. That's when we strike. Stop loss? Set it at either the upper or lower line of the HLOT indicator. And now, let's talk targets. To put this strategy to the test, I ran 2 different approaches which you can see on the screen. First, using 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio, meaning for every dollar risk, we aim for a $1.5 in profit. over 100 trades on gold's 15-minute time frame, we hit a solid 89% win rate. Not bad, right? But here's where the things get spicy. In the second approach, we bumped up the risk-reward ratio to 2-to-1, where for every dollar risked, we aimed for 2 in profit. This time, the win rate dipped slightly to 77%, but the profit soared higher over the same period. The trade-off? Slightly fewer wins, but significantly higher overall returns.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc, where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
As promised, let's take things one step further. What if we supercharge this strategy with some AI-powered optimizations? With just a few small tweaks, we can make the system even more powerful, refining entry points and maximizing profits with the help of machine learning insights. Watch the recommended videos on your screen, especially the top 2 ones. So there you have it, folks, the momentum bias index combined with the HLOT indicator, tested in 2 different ways, proving that with the right tools and strategy, you can stop second-guessing your trades and start riding the market momentum like a pro. Now go ahead, test it, and let me know how it works for you down in the comments. Until next time, happy trading.